So before I get started with my power hour, as you can tell with the title of this video, I was very pleased to get everything done. Here's my list, and I completed pretty much everything that I had written down, and I was very pleased with myself. For any of you who want to do a power hour, I would do it. I really enjoyed making this power hour, not only filming it, but also actually getting to do it. I had never done one before, but I loved how it made me set goals and it made me get past those goals in a timely fashion, and I was just very pleased. So without further ado, we're going to get into this cleaning power hour, and I hope you guys have enjoyed, and let me know in the comment section down below what you thought, if there's anything different that you think I should have done, or if there's any cleaning tips that you have for me. Okay guys, so to start off this power hour, I'm showing you the time. It is 9:19. I started off by cleaning off my counter. It was a disgrace, it was a mess, and please don't mind the hobo-ish looking clothes that I'm wearing. Very easy to maneuver in and very comfortable. Also, when you're cleaning, you don't really want to wear some nice clothes. So, alright, so back to the cleaning. So after I've mostly decluttered the counter, I move on to my bathtub. I'm just adding some pine salt, and I'm going to be cleaning with some Kaboom. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that I wasn't videoing or taping the bathtub cleaning, but anyways, moving on to cleaning the toilets. I don't think anybody really enjoys cleaning the toilets, but you know it has to be done, and so yeah, here we go. Any of y'all, but I have some really clingy cats. They absolutely love to go everywhere I go. So yeah, just be prepared to see them through this whole video. So once I got done cleaning the toilet, I went ahead and I started on the countertops and the sinks and just wiping them down really good and disinfecting them with a Clorox wipe. I really enjoy using Clorox wipes. They just make me feel secure and very clinical. There's just something about knowing that you've got something clean with a Clorox wipe or a Lysol wipe, you know, rubbing down a handle of a toilet or on a sink or even a doorknob. It just makes you feel so much better. So with my bathroom tidy and clean, I now move on to the kitchen. And in the kitchen, I just wanted to tidy it up. I didn't have too much cleaning to do. My husband had already washed the dishes, so thank you, babe. That's very sweet. So my sweet husband was studying for his Sunday school lesson, and so I just sweetly moved his stuff. Before I cleaned off this table. As you can see, there's sort of a stain like right in the middle. That stain is bugging me. That was Kool-Aid, and we cannot get it off to save our lives. So here I am just wiping down the table with some Clorox wipes, and then I guess I'll just surprise you guys with lighting a candle and making it look a little bit better in there. So I'm still in the kitchen, and I just really wanted to wipe down the counters and the stove with Clorox wipes, as I've said for the 100th time. It just smells really good and makes me feel very clean. So once I tidied my kitchen, I moved down to the bedroom, and let's just say that it was in need of a little pick-me-up. I ended up making the bed, and then I moved on to laundry. Last but not least on my list was laundry, and I'm happy to say that I got the laundry that I needed to get done folded up or hung up. So yay for me for getting all of my Power Hour tasks done. I'm so proud of myself. So here you can see I had 14 minutes to spare with my Power Hour. I was very excited. So with this Power Hour done and over, I'm really pleased with myself, and it has made me want to set a more higher goal for myself next time to do something more challenging, and so I can't wait. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment section down below what you thought. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and keep watching.
This is what I say. I would cry.